What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some new Hot Wheels. Nissan R390 GT1 in white, a brand new recolor to this casting. Let's go ahead and open this one up. It's from the HW Turbo series right here. And this is kind of a nice looking white color on this. It's almost got like a little bit of pearl to it, maybe slightly pearl. It's not a pure white. And look at the design on the front end of it. Very like 90s supercar look, kind of small mesh wheels on there. We can see the design, how it kind of just flows right down. I guess that's made for aerodynamics, and it's got that nice lip spoiler on there, and great looking detail for the back end right there with the temp work on the lights. But overall, it's an excellent looking car. 56 Ford F100 from the HW Metro series, and this one, it looks like it has a very neat paint job on here. You can see it's like a matte finish red paint job on here. Very cool, very interesting to see these matte finish ones. This one is a Moon Eyes edition. You can see it says Moon Eyes on the side right there. Hot Wheels and some sort of like shop or some sort that they have listed on the side right there. Chrome on the engine, chrome on the interior as well. Not much tamper work on the front end for the lights or anything like that. They've left it all for that side. And on the rear, it's pretty clean looking. But overall, I think it's a really cool looking Ford F100. 69 COPO Corvette from the Retro Racers series. And I'm loving the third generation Corvettes that Hot Wheels has been releasing. Lots of cool looking racing ones. This one a 1969 with the big 69 on the side of it. Big side exhaust right there in white. Very neat looking graphics. Absolutely love that. Love the color of this one. Very gloss blue, and it's got the classic red, white, and blue, the American kind of flag theme right throughout. We got the number on the front end right there, and just look at that. Just an overall great profile look to this one. A little bit of a lip spoiler on the back, and it's got kind of that like hard top look to it. Looks like it's got the hard top, so you can remove this possibly, but just an overall, it's an excellent design Corvette. See Me Rollin' from the Xpera Motors series, and this one is in a taxi themed, and it's got a very unique feature to this car. We've seen this one before, but if we actually look at this piece right here, it is a dice. So when we roll it, you can see it kind of changes the number that you see right here. So we'll spin it, and then we've got number 4 right there. There you go. Isn't that really neat? So if you need a dice, you've got the See Me Rollin', then you can double that as a dice right there. We got the big engines on the inside, the taxi logoing on the top right there. But overall, it's a very unique new casting to the Hot Wheels lineup. 2020 Toyota Tacoma from the HW Hot Truck series. I've been looking forward to this new casting, and I'm super excited to have it in hand right here. I also really love this blue color that they released it in. I think it looks amazing. I love the blacked out wheel look to it. And then just check out the front end. Great looking detail, the Toyota logoing. We've got the painted front lights and kind of side markers as well. I love the blacked out on the hood right there. We got the sunroof on it, and then we got like kind of a dual toned bed as well, black and then blue right at that end right there. And on the back, it's got Tacoma written on it. Just an excellent design Hot Wheels car. This one's been super popular with a lot of new collectors that are looking for it, but I'm so happy to have this in hand, and I love to see a recolor of this. Maybe like a white one would look cool with the blacked out wheels, or even like a yellow one of some sort. We'll have to see what the future brings. Count Muscula from HW Dream Garage, and this one is a fantasy casting, and it looks kind of like a Mustang of some sort. It definitely does have like a Mustang profile look to it, like an early 70s Mustang, but then it's got that big rear spoiler on there for downforce. We got the stripe that goes down the center, little louvers on the front end, and again from the front it's kind of Mustang-ish, but then it's got like the diffuser, the front lip, and all of that, the chrome all on the bottom. But overall, for a fantasy car, I think it's a pretty neat looking one. Sweet Driver, another interesting new casting from the Fast Foodies series, and just check out what this one is right here. Can you tell just by looking at it? Of course you can. It's essentially a cupcake on wheels right here. Check that out. Check out all the sprinkles on there. We've got the icing. We've got this, which is like the exhaust exhaust system, which kind of looks a little bit weird sticking up. Maybe it would have been neat if they just left it full cupcake. We got like a pink body to it. This one, we've got the engraved like Hot Wheels logo. You can see it's supposed to be Hot Wheels logo right there. Wheels, we've got the front grille, which looks kind of like a classic 30s car of some sort. But just overall, what an interesting new casting to the Hot Wheels lineup. X-Jet from HW Screen Time. And normally I'm not a big fan of seeing non-cars come to the Hot Wheels lineup, like motorbikes and planes and stuff like that, because I prefer cars themselves. But this one actually looks really, really cool. And also the fact that they've included this stand for it right here. So if we go ahead and just put the X-Jet right on there, and then it sits right on your table if you want to. We'll actually put it down just right here. You can see it's got that little stand so you can display it. But overall, it's a really cool looking jet. It's an X-Men series jet, so it looks like a stealth fighter jet, doesn't it? But just overall, I think it's really, really neat. And if you're an airplane fan as well, this is a good addition to your Hot Wheels collection. Mach It Go from the HW Speed Team Track Stars edition. And this is a new fantasy casting, and it's got like some sort of like X-ray look to it, so we can see right through there. It's not an X-Racers car, and I always wonder with ones like this if anything removes or comes off, but it doesn't look like anything can be moved on this one right here. We do have orange wheel tire combination. You can see different ones on the front and rear on both sides right there, and it's a single seater right there. 42 on it, and we've got the Hot Wheels Speed Team written on the rear end, but it definitely looks like some sort of futuristic race car. What do you guys think of this one? HW 450F from the Baja Blazers series, and Baja Blazers series usually have the mudded out wheel tire combination on here, so let's go ahead and see if this motorbike has that right here. We'll take it out and we can see, nope, no mud or anything on the wheels and tires, which is a little bit weird for the Baja Blazer series, but this is definitely a dirt bike. You can see it. I really do like the painting graphics on the side. It kind of looks like a Monster, like the Monster energy drink kind of graphics on the side of it. Obviously it's not sponsored by Monster at all. Love the colored chrome wheels on there overall, but you guys know I'm not a huge fan of these like motorbikes and stuff that they're released, but if you're a collector of Hot Wheels and you like motorbikes, this is definitely one to add to your collection. In the comments section down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.